Welcome to my class, and in this I'm going to talk about the upward sloping curve, supply curve. Why does this uh, supply curve slope upwards? There are certain reasons, and I just wanted to tell you that it slopes upwards, showing a positive relation, and the slope is measured as change in y upon change in x. That means whatever there is on the y-axis upon what is there on the x-axis. So that comes to change in price upon change in quantity supplied. So that is it. And here I have given a linear supply curve. It can be non-linear too, but if it's linear, it is constant. So talking about the slope, and this I talked about the slope, but right now we're going to talk about why does the supply curve upward sloping? Why is it so that when the price increases, the supply too increases? So what is the reason behind this? So when the supply increases, when the price increases, the supply increases. So what is the reason behind this? This is what we're going to see. So this is what and vice versa. When the price falls, supply falls. So that's what we're going to discuss. So these are the three reasons we are going to discuss. One is profit motive. When people see that there is profit here, there is higher the price, more the supply. And then more firms come in and join the existing firms. Again, there will be more supply and people will release their stock. So increase in stock. So all of this, just have a look. So the question is that the reason behind the operation of the law of supply, that is, first is a level of profit, as you see. As price increases, the level of profit rises. Producers begin to produce and supply more in view of higher profit possibilities. Now, on the other hand, yes, you've got it. If price falls, the producers decrease the supply because they now expect less profit. So the game is all about profit. Okay, the second is entry of new firms. An increase in price would give incentive not only to the existing producers of a commodity, but it would also motivate the other producers to produce this commodity so as to earn higher profits. For example, if there's a rise in the price of wheat while the price of pulses remain unchanged, this would motivate the farmers to produce more of wheat. So even farmers who are producing pulses will be tempted to produce more wheat. So that's how entry of new firms. Now, change in stock. So when there are high prices, producers bring out their stock for sale and thus the supply increases. And in case of falling prices, the sellers would like to increase their stocks. They build stocks, they don't sell it to avoid losses. So these are some of the causes for the positive slope of the supply curve. So that's exactly what you will get. So in the next, we are going to talk about the exceptions.